We reviewed fractions. We learned about equivalent fractions. Remember, how many parts are shaded, colored in? The number at the top shows the parts we are counting. The number at the bottom shows the parts in total. Equivalent fractions are fractions that are equal. Key vocabulary: equal, equivalent, fifth, half, quarter, shaded, sixth, whole number. We reviewed fractions. We learned how to add fractions. We learned about equivalent fractions. We can make fractions when we divide a whole into equal parts. Equal means the same. We can cut it into 4 equal parts. I ate 1 out of 4 parts, or 1/4. In a fraction, the number at the bottom tells us how many equal parts the whole was divided into. The number at the top tells us how many parts I ate. Here is another whole pizza. Let's cut it into equal parts. Let's cut it into 5 equal parts. I ate 2 out of 5 parts, or 2/5. Shaded, shaded, not shaded, not shaded, 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 not shaded, not shaded. How many parts does this shape have? One. No parts are shaded. This is a whole fraction. One. How many parts are shaded? How many parts are there all together? 2. 1/2. 1 How many parts are shaded? 1. How many parts are there altogether? 4. 1/4. How many parts are not shaded? 3. How many parts are there altogether? 4. 3/4. How many parts are shaded? 5. How many parts are there altogether? 6. 5/6. Remember that fractions are part of a whole. A whole pizza. Part of the whole pizza. One part is missing. This is not one whole pizza anymore. There is 6/7 of a pizza. This is less than one whole. 4/6 shaded. How many more parts do we need to shade to make one whole? Let's start by looking at the bottom number. Our top numbers need to add up to 6. What do we add to 4 to equal 6? That's right, we add 2. Look at the fractions. Which fraction is bigger? 1/3 or 2/3? 2/3. Which fraction is bigger? 2/3 or 1/9? 2/3. Which fraction is bigger? 1/2 or 2/4? They are the same. This is an equivalent fraction. All of these fractions are equivalent to 1/2. All of these fractions are equivalent to 1/2. All of these fractions are equivalent to 3/4. This is a fraction wall. We use the lines on the wall to help us find equivalent fractions. Follow the line until you meet the line again. You have found an equivalent fraction. How can we make or check equivalent fractions? You multiply or divide the top number and the bottom number by the same number. Equal. Equal. To show two or more things as the same amount. Equivalent. Equivalent. 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. Fifth. Fifth. 1/5 is 1 equal part. Half. Half. 1/2 is 1 equal part. Quarter. Quarter. 1/4 is 1 equal part. Shaded. Shaded. When something is colored. Sixth. 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 1/6 is 1 equal part. Whole number. Whole number. A number like 1 or 2 that is not a fraction. A number like 1 or 2 that is not a fraction.